we are solving the inverse of the 3 by 3 matrix by this formula, by the adjoint method. You remember that the same question we used to solve by the elementary row or column transformation, where we used to struggle a lot to convert this into an identity matrix and the corresponding. So I mean, this is a laborious task, that's why it was of 6 marks. But the same question can be easily solved by this thing, because you know that anyway you're going to get the same answer, because the inverse of the matrix is unique. So in order to find the inverse of the matrix by this formula rather than using the elementary operation, that is column or row transformation, we can find this. So determinant of A is -3, that you can find it out. It should not be equal to 0. So 2, 1 into -1 is -1, 0 into 2 is 0. Then -1, hide this, 4 ones are 4. -7 into 0 is 0. Then next element is 3. I'm expanding along the first row, 2, 1, 3. They are the first row element. Then hide 3, 4 2s are 8, -7. So on solving, the determinant of A is -3. Now to find edge A, you can use the shortcut method directly. So I told you, you go for the second column, the middle element, that is -1. Okay, this has to be chosen first. Then 0, then 4, then -1, right? And then the third row, middle element, 2, 1, -7, and again 2, 2, 1, -7, and back to 2. Always take care that the first element and the last element should be same. 2, 1, -7, 2. Then go back to row 1. We'll pick the middle element, 1, 3, 2, 1, and copy the first element as it is, -1, 0, 4, -1. Now you immediately take the cross multiplication and subtract. So this way, -1 into 1 is -1, -2 into 0 is 0, so I'm not writing. Again, -7 into 0 is 0. Minus of 1 into 4 is -4. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Minus -7 into -1 is +7. So that gives me 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now I'll go here. 3 2s are 6. And -1 ones are 1. So 6 minus 1 is your 5. So you can write 5 here. So proceed the same way. 2 ones are 2. -7 into 3. I'm going this way. 2 ones are 2. -7 into 3 is -21. So 21 plus 2 is your 23. Then -7. -7 into 1 is -7 minus 4, that is -11, right? So that finishes the second entry for the row, second row I mean to say. Then you have this one, 1 zeros are 0, -1 into 3 is -3, so that gives me 3, right? Then same, 4 3s are 12, -2 into 0 is 0, so 12 is only retained. 2 into -1 is -2, -4 ones are 4, so -2 minus 4 gives me -6. So immediately edge A is the transpose of this. So the first row will become the first column, the second row will become the second column. Okay, -4, can you see -4 -1 -4 1, I wrote this way. 5 23 -11, so 5 23 -11, and the third row has become the third column, 3 12 -6. So this is nothing but your adjoint of the given matrix. Now you need to find A inverse by this formula, 1 upon determinant A into edge A. So 1 upon the value of the determinant A is nothing but -3 times of -1 -4 1 5 23 -11 3 12 -6. You can keep as it is, or you can divide each element by -3 to get the answer. I hope you understand how quickly we can find the adjoint of the given 3 by 3 matrix by the shortcut method, and which is also allowed in the examination.